Everyone, if you're having a hard time memorizing all those rules that involve adding and subtracting integers, I want to show you an alternative method that can achieve the same answer. It's called the number line. So pay attention and you're going to learn this really easy and fast method. Here we have the two numbers, the two exercises that we're going to work on. The first one involves adding two numbers and the second one involves subtracting two numbers. And then I have two number lines here that we're going to use. So the first problem, -1 plus 4. If I want to add those two integers, I'm going to go to where -1 is. So on the number line here, I'm going to make a circle where -1 is. And then I look at the next sign. The next sign is positive. That means I need to go towards the right side. The right side is where all the positive numbers are. So I'm going to move 4 steps because the next number here is a 4. So I'm going to move 4 steps, 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Once I reach 4, I stop there and then I write down the number that I saw. So recall the rules that we learned in class. The rule said if the two numbers have different signs, we subtract them and then we keep the sign of the bigger number. 4 minus 1 is 3, and because the 4 is bigger than the 1, our final answer is going to take the sign of the 4 and it's a positive 3. Let's go to the second question. The second question is -2 minus 5. The first thing I'm going to do is to go where -2 is and make a circle. And then the next sign here, I see that it's a minus sign. That tells me I need to go towards the left. The left because that's where all the negative signs are. And then I'm going to move 5 steps because the next number here is a 5. So let's move 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I stop there and then I write down the number that is in that position. If you remember the rules that we learned in class, whenever you're subtracting two numbers that have the same sign, you add them and then you keep the sign of the both numbers. So 2 plus 5 is 7, and because both numbers are negative, the answer is -7. So this is another method that you can use to achieve the same answer.